Good afternoon, children. How are you? I hope you are fine and you are safe. You are eating a healthy food at your home. So, the class 4 children, this is a new chapter for you, animals living and surviving. That is what? Get started. Lesson number 4. Okay. Fish. Circle the odd one out of each set. Fish, turtle, dolphin, grasshopper. So fish, turtle and dolphin are the same. So you have to circle the grasshopper. Okay, children. Next, pigeon, ostrich, kite and peacock. So peacock, kite and pigeon, they are able to fly. So ostrich is the flightless bird. That is the reason that is odd one out. Okay. Please do. I am not doing, children. Please, you have to do it. I will see whether who can do and who cannot do. Lion, leopard, tiger and elephant. So elephant is a herbivore. Remaining animals are carnivorous animals. Bear, crow, human, cat. So in this bear, crow and cat, these are animals and this is human being. Is advanced. Okay. So human being is a odd one. Okay, children. Now next one. See this here, children. Millions of years ago, huge animals called dinosaurs roamed on earth. Now there are no dinosaurs. Do you know why? Some scientists believe that happened due to the sudden change in earth's climate. They believe that it became very cold and the dinosaur could not adjust to the cold conditions and died. In the natural world, the plant or an animal adapts or changes itself to change its surroundings. This happens over hundreds and thousands of years. This process of changing to suit the surroundings is called adaptation. Living things that are able to adapt themselves to their surroundings survive. Those that cannot adapt die. So here, children, they are talking about what, children? Dinosaurs. So the thousands and years of ago, what has happened? The climatic condition has been changed, and then because of the change, the dinosaurs are unable to survive. So those who are surviving and they are suit their surroundings, that is called as adaptation. And those who are not adapting themselves to their surroundings, they are dying. Okay, children, they are unable to survive. So the millions of years ago, the same happens with the dinosaurs also, because as we don't know, but what has happened, right? With the exactly we don't know, but the scientists said that a meteorite has collide with the earth in the few parts of the earth, and because of that meteor there is a climate change and there is a destruction on the earth, and because of that the dinosaur has been extinct. Those are the extinct species. So they are so even you can also see, whenever the human beings, we are unable to adapt our surroundings, obviously we are also not able to survive. Yes or no, children? Yes. So that is the process in which the changing to suit the surroundings is called as adaptation. For each and every living thing it is possible. Okay. Adaptations to environment. The natural home of an animal is called habitat. Animals can be grouped according to their habitats. Okay. What are those? Terrestrial animals. See, according to the habitats, what they are categorized. They are terrestrial animals, amphibians, arboreals, aerials. Okay. Aquatic animals. So we are going to learn about the terrestrial animals. Okay, children. So here till here cold we will complete today, and then we will see the next in the next class. Animals like horses, lions and camels live on land. They are called terrestrial animals. So what are called as terrestrial animals? The animals which live on land. Such animals have legs to move, lungs to breathe. They have well developed sense organs and a nervous system in order to sense the changes in their surroundings. So what they have, children? They have a proper ordered complex nervous system. So if any changes will be there in the surroundings, they are able to enhance, they can able to feel that, and they can they will try to change ourselves so that they can adapt to themselves. Okay. Animals like snakes do not have legs. Animals like snakes do not have legs. They have plates or scales that help them crawl. Animals like coral bears and Arctic foxes live in cold regions. Okay, so what they are trying to say here, children, animals like snakes, they don't have legs, but they can crawl because they have plates and scales. And those who are in the very cold regions like Arctic and Antarctica regions, we can find the polar region. We can't find the polar regions here, right? Because they suits their surroundings. Yes, they have fur, their bodies to keep them warm. They have fat under the skin to be used food in winter. Some animals like lizards and frogs sleep for several months to protect themselves from cold. So they are talking about what, children? They are talking about the adaptation. And you know, children, the polar bear, they are also went into the hibernation. Hibernation is the process in which they are storing the food. Where they are storing the food? Under the skin. Yes or no? The fat under the skin. And then what has happened after in the summer season, they get back again, they survive, and then they store the food in the same season. Yes, so many animals like lizards, frogs, they are sleeps for several months to protect themselves from the cold. Yes, they are unable to resist the cold. That is the reason they are what they are doing, they are going into the hibernation process. So this is about the terrestrial plants. We will see from this we will see in the next class. Okay, children, take care, children. Bye.